Hello everyone, we are going to learn 5th class mathematics book. Let's start first chapter. The first chapter is numbers and arithmetic operations. There are some very basic concepts about numbers and place value. So let's start with numbers. What is a number? Number plays very important role in our daily life. Numbers are digits. So what is the place value? Place value tells about what is the value of a number according to its place. I repeat it. Place value tells about what is the value of a number according to its place. We also read in 4th class what is the place value. Here you can see that a number. It has 4 different parts. Every part is divided into 3 digits. So first part is our unit part, second part is thousand, and third part is million, and fourth one is billion. So in unit part we can see that here are 3 digits: units, tens, hundred. In thousand part we can see that here are 3 digits: 10,000, 100,000. This is a 100,000. In million we can see that we also have a 3 digits: million, 10 million, 100 million. This is a billion. Here in this chapter you can learn about how to write a number up to 1 billion. So this is very convenient way to write a number up to 1 billion if we divide into 3 parts. This is a unit part, this is a thousand part, this is a million part, and the unit part has 3 digits. So this is a convenient way to write a number up to 1 billion. As you can see that a 1 billion number has 10 digits, 3 parts, 3 digits are unit part, 3 digits are unit, and this one is thousand part, and this is a million, and this one is 1 billion. And 1 billion unit, 1 billion number has 10 digits. And this is now the question is how to pronounce a number. How to pronounce a number? Let we have a number 1500000, and how to pronounce it. As you can see, this is a unit part, and you can see this is a thousand part. This means that 500,000, and this is a million. So 1,500,000. This is a very convenient way to pronounce a number and to write a number into up to 1 billion and up to 1 million. So let's talk about exercise number 1a. Let's move forward. Exercise number 1a. So the first question is fill in the blanks. In the international system, 1 million is a dash digit. So you can see that here is the table of number places. So उन्होंने कहा कि हमारे पास 1 मिलियन के कितने डिजिट्स होते हैं. काउंट इट. 1 2 3. दिस इज़ आर यूनिट पार्ट. 10,000 मतलब ये जो है हमारे पास क्या हुआ 4 5 6, and this one is 7. So a 1 million is a 7 digit number. The place value of the ring digit is 5299. जिसे यहाँ पे सर्कल किया हुआ है उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बताइए. तो इसके देख लेते हैं. सबसे पहले ये हमारे पास दिस इज़ ए यूनिट पार्ट, दिस इज़ ए थाउजेंड पार्ट, and this one is million part. So 5 million. This means that this is a million. This is a billion place value. So complete the sequence. 35030 As you can see, this first number is same. 6030, this first number, this second number, and this second number is same. 186 and 286, and just 186 plus 100. So this means that 286 plus 100 is 386, and this is also a same sequence. The number 50000 more than 261231500 is. So let's talk about this number, and we just add a number up to 50000 is into this number. So we just add a number 261 2835 500 plus 50000 and we get a answer. So the place value of 9 is the number. यहाँ पर जो 9 है इसमें इसकी क्या प्लेस वैल्यू, कौन सी प्लेस वैल्यू, तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस नंबर. दिस इज़ ए यूनिट प्लेस, दिस इज़ ए 1000 places and this one is a million. This means that this is a 100 million. So the 9 place value is 100 million. This means that 900 million is our answer. So in this so the next video we will talk about true and false and the next questions. So see you later. Allah Hafiz.